What is up, guys? It is SPC Rockford 1079 here, and today I'm going to use my ham radio to activate my TFT on government frequencies. This is going to be really fun. So, the first thing we're going to do is take the cord that is connected to my TFT, and we are going to go ahead and plug it into the ham radio. So, let's do that. Alright, boom, now it's plugged in. And then, let's go ahead and turn on the ham radio.
Frequency mode.
Alright, we're ready. And now, it's time to activate the TFT. So let's go. Alright. Let's do immediate evacuation. Alright, let's do Winnebago and Rock County. Alright, duration. Let's go. Here, I'm just gonna. Alright, let's go 48 hours. How about that? 48 hours. There we go. Alright. It is time to activate this ham radio on government frequencies.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois state government at 4:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The Byron Nuclear Power Plant has had a meltdown. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Toxic radiation has been released into the air due to this incident. Citizens within 100 miles of the Byron Nuclear Power Plant are ordered to evacuate their homes. Make sure you pack food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. Grab all family members and pets. Make sure to only take one car. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Evacuate now.
Just kidding. I unplugged my ham radio before I activated my TFT. Happy April Fool's Day, guys.